Hey everyone, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews, and we're going to talk about a really neat product. Let's take a look. So today we're taking a look at these GEARONIC cycling gloves. They're high performance and high quality. I absolutely love them. People who are into cycling know that sometimes you can build a callus on your hand or have hand injuries if you don't have proper fitting gloves like these. At 6'2" and 220 pounds, I went with the extra large gloves, but actually the 2XL fit pretty well as well. One thing I'll note is that I've never dealt with gloves before that have better grip than these cycling gloves. They're shock absorbent, breathable, and perfect for riding. They don't get hot, and they feel really good. Here you can see I'm showing off the additional cushioning and support on the palm just to give you that little extra grip and that little shock absorption you're going to need if you're taking it off-road or on a bumpy trail. I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. I think you're going to like this one. And I know they may not be marketed for this, but they're a great workout glove. When you're doing an exercise that puts a little extra stress on the inside of your hand, this is the perfect workout glove for you. It keeps those calluses from being formed, and it makes your lifts a whole lot easier. Also gives you that little extra grip you need in certain circumstances. Go ahead and subscribe for new videos every week. We hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. We're 911 Reviews.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.